Hello guys, Crispy here, welcome back to another video in the second channel, which is definitely not dead because we're here today making another video. And today we're gonna be unboxing a laptop. Come to me laptop. There it is, there he is. Okay, so this is the Geekom Geekbook X16 Pro, a 16-inch, very thin and light laptop, supposedly. Oh, this is definitely super sharp. So let's start the unboxing, shall we? Ooh. Now that's much prettier than the cardboard box. It's still cardboard, but yeah, it's very nice. Oof, I like the colors. Very nice package. GeekomPC.com. We got a little fucking mosquito. Let's keep on going. Specs are right here. We got the model name NX16AM. Ultra 9 185H, 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X memory, 7500 megahertz by the way, and it's a 16-inch laptop, 2 terabyte M.2. That's very expensive these days. And this comes in at $1,400-ish. All right now, I think they're on sale. Let's open this up. All right, we got a little laptop extended warranty card right here. 2 years of warranty coverage. What is this one? Dear customer, thank you for purchasing our products to make your daily life easier. Your trust and support of Geekom. That's a nice touch. Okay. Ooh, wait. This is like the print stream skin in Counter-Strike. Oh, that's very nice. Very nice touch, Geekom. Thank you. Okay, now we got this charger. Let's start with the charger. Small one. Should be 65 watts. Yeah, that it is. 65. Did I actually catch it and he flew away? I don't know. 65 watts GAN charger. That's nice. Very small. A little bit dense, actually. There we go. ASMR. Beautiful. So let's set it to the side right there, and here, the box is kind of falling apart, Geekom, that's fine. We got the cable, USB-C probably. Ooh, it's braided as well, this is nice. Okay, I like it. It has a MacBook cable kind of feel, you know. Very thick. USB-C to USB-C. Oh, by the way, let's do something that no other unboxer does, and that is measure the cable length. Go. So this is 1 meter and 80 centimeters. 180 centimeters. So now you know. And here we have the star of the show. I am very good when it comes to these things, as you can tell. That is actually really light for a... wait, that might have been loud. This is actually really light for a 16-inch laptop, and it feels really premium. It's so soft. What the heck? This is aluminum, by the way. Feel it. Just feel it. It's really soft. Like, I was not expecting it to be this soft. Doesn't leave a lot of fingerprints, as you can see. My hands are very warm, that's why it leaves these things, but it disappears right off. This is a nice coating, I like it. Kind of changes color a little bit with the lighting. Our friend is here again. Should we name him? I don't know. Yeah, this is nice. Rubber feet right here so it doesn't slide. Ooh, there's something else. Wait a second, guys. Slide test. Oh. Doesn't stay in place. It's kind of like a MacBook, actually. Come on. There it is. So this is just a instructions manual. There we go. Laptop computer. If you are Chinese, you're probably not watching this. All right. So, the laptop itself. Look at the ports right there. Full-size USB-A. With this thickness. Are you serious? How thick is that? Look. I can't even read how thick this is. It's 1.1 centimeters, I guess. That is super slim. All right, I like that. On the other side, we have a couple of USB-Cs. One of them will be used for charging, of course. HDMI 2.0. And that's about it for the ports. So I like the inclusion of this one. I wish it was full-sized SD card slot. It's a micro SD. That's fine as well. Okay. Well, that is nice. Boot instructions. Power on for the first time. You need to connect the power adapter. Okay, we'll do that. Or not. Maybe it's not charged. I don't know. Well, at least now you know that the laptop won't explode if you don't connect it to the power source first. So now it should turn on. Yep, I hear the fans already. So we got beautiful stickers here. Intel Core Ultra 9. So people know that you mean business if you have this laptop. Intel Arc graphics, which is going to be very interesting to take a look at in an upcoming video in the first channel, of course. Testing a lot of games, as we do. All right, there we go. First time booting. Geekom. The fans shut up. All right, they're not spinning anymore. Also, let's do the lid test. Yeah, it opens very cleanly, as you can see. At least I've seen some people saying that this is a premium feature, so there we go. Now you know there is a slider here, privacy slider for a webcam. That's pretty cool. And now we should be doing, well, this is the maximum flex right there. We should be good to do the Windows setup. Continue in English. Name. Well, this is, ooh, the FN key is a toggle. Look at that! I've never seen that before. You usually need to hold it and then click whatever. Here it's a toggle. Not bad for a first laptop, you know. This is also a fingerprint scanner right here, by the way. Pretty cool stuff. Numpad. Yeah, I like the keyboard. Feels good to type. It's not mushy or anything. Cool. For a first time laptop for Geekom, this is awesome. All right, so what will I name it? I will name it Pedro because it's my name and this is actually going to become my main thin and light laptop. I've been using a MacBook, but I am done with the MacBook mainly because the screen is dead on it. No password, don't need that for now. I do not want anything to do with your Windows, stop it. I will likely install Linux after I'm done with the benchmarks anyways. Alrighty, here we have it, guys. We are in the desktop. Let's see if I can make it brighter here. Okay, you don't need to press FN to make it brighter. This is the maximum brightness. Alright, it should be 400 nits of brightness. Yeah, it seems plenty bright here. I got 3 studio lights aiming at it, basically, and it's totally seeable. There we go. 1600p with 120 hertz and a variable refresh rate as well, 24 hertz to 120 to save some battery. This is awesome to see on a thin and light laptop. I don't care if it's good for gaming or not. I always love to have 120 hertz no matter what, to browse the web with and stuff like that. Yeah, it's very important to me. Yeah, that's nice. Let's just go here to the task manager, check out our specs to confirm everything. Ultra 9 185H right there, 16 cores, 22 threads, and we got 32 gigabytes of RAM here, 8 of 8 slots used, so it will be running in dual channel. It's soldered to the motherboard, and we got 7467 megatransfers per second. They rounded it up to 7500 in their website. It's not 7500, but it's, yeah, close enough. And on the SSD front, this is a crucial SSD, apparently. 2 terabytes, 1.8 right there, usable space. This is cool, and the Intel Arc graphics with the NPU as well. So that's it for the unboxing here and first impressions. I like the screen, I like the weight of it. Well, it's 1.27 kilos or 2.8 pounds. Yeah, that's pretty low for a 16-inch machine made of aluminum. Should be quite sturdy, should be quite durable as well, I hope at least. Well, time will tell in that front. But thanks very much for watching, my friends. Hope you enjoyed this little video of the unboxing of the Geekom X16 Pro, and I'll catch you in the next one very soon. Love you all. Bye-bye. Well, maybe not very soon because it's the second channel, but you can go to the first one, and I'm there almost every day. Love you all. Bye-bye.